Boom Pals app, and we are back with the Eero dual band mesh Wi-Fi system. We'll do an unboxing. Just kidding. And what I'll do is I will test how well it works or how much it improves the long distance reception of my Wi-Fi system that I have at my house. I have a separated shop that is about 100 yards away, maybe 75 yards away from where the at&t router is, Wi-Fi router is, and we'll see how well it picks up as opposed to use without it. Start with the unboxing with the magic of YouTube. I can show that basically it comes with the main unit, which hooks up to your router. Then you have two transmitters or extenders, their power sources, and a DSL wire. Simple. I'm not going to bore everybody with the setup. It's quite easy with the app. We'll go straight in to see what the difference between my reception I get out of the shop. Welcome to the inside of my shop, where I have a couple TVs for streaming. I have air conditioners that are Wi-Fi connected. I have an Alexa. Also stream stuff from my mobile devices in here from time to time when I need some information. It is a metal building, and previously I had right up here in the window installed this little guy here, which is from at&t. It's a Eero 42 or 4921 Wi-Fi extender. They charge for this. They charge about $10 a month, and they were charged for the replacement for it. That's why I bought this. I set everything up. I have it on. It took about 20 minutes, including updates for 3 devices. And I'm going to test it now to see what kind of signal I get in here with everything, all the Eero devices turned off. Then I'll test it again after I get everything hooked up. All right, I'm in the center of this metal building. The metal will distort the Wi-Fi connection. So we'll see what kind of signal I'm getting right now. I was getting about between a 4 and 10 the other day. It's a little better today. But, you know, it goes up and down. We'll see if it's going to get a significant improvement. All the Eero devices are turned off. Now I'm going to wait and turn them all back on. Oh, that's significantly lower. This particular package I have is about 100 to 120 uploads and downloads on at&t fiber. So it should be significantly higher than this if I was a little bit closer. So let's see what kind we get after everything's plugged in and set up. I've got everything set up and running, and yeah, that's a little crooked in the window, but that's okay, I don't care. And we're gonna do a test again. All right, moment of truth here. Send it on its way. Now that's a significant improvement. It's probably about maybe at least double, almost triple what I was getting before. And ditto, that's good speed. I won't have any trouble streaming multiple devices out here now. It's a one-time purchase. You don't have to keep renting it every month. And it looks like it's gonna work out pretty well for me. So, Boom Pals app, like, subscribe, comment, and share, and let me know in the comments if you had a good experience. Didn't show you the setup on it because basically it's all walked through and it does it by the app. It's easy to do. It took 20 minutes, including updates, which I've already said. We'll see you next time.